you can make money online just by posting TikTok videos. Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Favor. On this channel, I show you different ways you can make money online. If this is what you are looking for, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification to always get notified anytime I post a video like this. So on this platform, you make money by posting videos. The same videos you post on your TikTok, your Facebook, your Instagram, your YouTube, or any of the social media platform. When you post it on this platform, you are going to get paid for posting videos there for your views, your likes, and everything, your comments. Okay. So what does this particular platform do? We all know that TikTok does not monetize African countries. We all know that, okay, and we all know that some other social media platform is difficult for you to monetize there if you don't have enough followers and enough criteria they have for you. But on this platform, you actually get monetized once you join it, okay, and start posting videos. Once your videos are getting views, getting likes, getting comments, you are going to get paid. And if you're also a vendor, if you also have businesses that are doing, you can also market your business in this platform and get customers from there and that will buy your goods and pay you, all right? So, and it's a legit platform. So, with all this being said, let me get into my phone as I show you this platform. On the description is going to bring you to an app store. Okay, go ahead and download Vendor Stack. Download Vendor Stack and register as a creator. Remember, register as a creator. Okay, once you register, let me enter inside the app. Once you register as a creator, click on open. It's going to bring you inside the app. Okay, here you are going to see so many creators, so many people posting their videos here. Okay, their TikTok videos. Okay, let me mute it. I don't want the sound to enter my video. So you are going to see so many people posting their TikTok videos here and they are getting views. Imagine this person has 2k views here and they are going to pay her for these 2k views. And you know, if it is on TikTok, TikTok will not pay you for your views because of your location. Okay, if you're from Africa, TikTok will not pay you for your views. Okay, you can only make money from TikTok if you go live and do other things there, you make money, or even other social media platform, you need to get some certain followers or some certain this thing before you can make money there. Okay, but on this platform, just post your normal videos. Okay, normal videos that you can post on every other social media platform. Once you come over to this platform and post the video, you are going to be getting paid for that. Your videos will get monetized. Okay, these are different people posting their videos and they are making money from here. Okay, so another way you can actually make money from here apart from posting your videos, okay, is also by posting your business here. Okay, there are so many people that are doing businesses. Okay, if you're into hair business, cream, computer, phone, and the rest of them, okay, come over here and add your business. Okay, add your business and people will buy from you. Okay, add your business, put the price tag, and people will also come over here and buy from you. And once they buy from you, you are going to get paid straight to your bank account. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys my own account. Okay, if I click on account now, this is my own account and I just started posting. I've not been posting that much. I think I've just started posting. Okay, and I have 89 followers here and 2 following. And then let me go over and check how much I have made from this place just by posting few videos I have not been posting. Okay, so if I go over here and click on my balance, I think I have 400 naira here and I have all-time balance of 2,398. Okay, so once you are on this platform and you are posting, you are going to be making money from this platform. If I go ahead and go to my dashboard, you can see for just 143 views, I had 388 naira. So imagine if I have 1,000 views, multiply it with 1,000 views, 2,000 views, 5,000 views, 10,000 views, and I know some of you do make 10,000 views on your TikTok or your Facebook or your YouTube. You make that amount of views. Okay, so if you can actually come over to this platform and post your videos, you are going to be getting paid for posting your video. So if you want to post a video on this platform, just come over and click on creators dashboard, then click on create post. Okay, and go over and add your video. Okay, remember they said your original content will be monetized. Note, if you post if your post is flagged as non-original, you will be deducted 100 naira from your wallet. Ensure no watermarks or logo are present in your content. Adult content and adult content are not allowed, okay? So make sure your videos are original content, okay? Make your videos, okay? You can make a video with any sound, make your video and then come over here, click on add video. It's going to take you to your gallery and then you add the video you want to add and then click on accept and this thing and then click on save. Your video will be posted. This is actually how you post a video on this platform and your video and your original content will be monetized. You start getting paid. You don't need followers to get paid. You're not paying any money here, okay? Just come over here, post your videos and you are going to get paid for your videos. You can also manage ads here, okay? You can also perform their new month challenge. You can also do their referral program and you're also going to get paid, okay? So if you also want to know more information about this platform, go ahead and look out for them on Instagram, on TikTok, on X, on YouTube, on Facebook and on LinkedIn. They're in all these social media platform, okay? Go ahead and look out for them and see more for yourself. All right, so if you are a vendor and you buy products from here, you can also put in your delivery address, okay? And then there are also loyalty and rewards from here. You can also earn points, okay? How do you earn points? Let's click on how do you earn points. You earn points when you sign up, you earn 10 points. When you withdraw your balance, you earn 10 points. When you upload your profile picture, you earn 20 points. When you add your address, you earn 25 points. When you follow a vendor, you earn 50 points. When you verify your email, you earn 25 points. When you add your bank account, 25. So these are different ways you can actually earn points here, okay? So go ahead, make sure you click on and earn points and go ahead and do all these things and you are going to earn points, and 1 point is equivalent to 1 naira. So go ahead and accumulate all these points here and you are going to make money from this platform, okay? So go ahead and then go through this platform. If you also want to get badge or get verified, click on get badge or get verified, okay? So request to your badge. Once you buy the badge, you are going to see this verification badge in your profile, and in that way people will see you more and also buy from you, okay? Go ahead and add your shop and everything, okay? Your withdrawals, your bank account, everything you need to know is here. If you can also go ahead and click on frequently asked questions. Click on frequently asked questions. You are going to see every other information you need from here, okay? So this is actually how people make money from this platform, just by posting their video. The same video they post on their TikTok, they will just carry it, come here and post it, and they are making money. Look at people like you making money here. So if you have not been making money with your TikTok account, okay, come over here and start making money with this, with vendor stack. If you are someone that always posts online, if you are online 247, start making videos and post here and you are going to get paid from this platform. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found value on my video, make sure you like, share to your friends that are always online, share to them so that they can actually start making use of this platform to make money. Go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you always get notified anytime I post a video like this. All right, hit that, go to description, click the link there and come over here and start making money right now. Thank you.